Greetings. For the service of November 21st, 2021, which at the time of this recording and release of this video is tomorrow, we will hear and sing one of the great hymns of the church, Now Thank We All Our God. It's often sung the Sunday before Thanksgiving, and tomorrow we'll have the distinct pleasure of hearing Jen Harold Taylor sing it as the special music for a solo. And then we'll sing it together, just the first verse, as the benediction before we leave. This hymn goes all the way back to 1637, which means in 16 years it will be 400 years old. It was written by Martin Rinkert, who was the bishop of Eilenburg, Germany. Now, Eilenburg was a walled city, so it became a place of refuge for fugitives during the war, during the 30 Years' War, when Rinkert was the bishop there. Now, the problem with a walled city is they can only house so many people. So famine and disease became a problem due to overcrowding. And at the height of their misery, Rinkert was doing between 40 and 50 funerals a day. He was the only clergy person left that could do the funerals, and sadly, one of those funerals happened to be his wife. To add to all this misery, the city was sacked 3 times by invaders. Now, the opening verse that we'll sing tomorrow, you probably know quite well, and it was originally written just as a prayer before mealtime. Now thank we all our God with heart and hands and voices, whose wondrous things has done, in whom his world rejoices, who from our mother's arms has blessed us on our way with countless gifts of love, and still is ours today. Now, you can really see that the 30 Years' War had really started to take a toll in the next 2 verses of the hymn. And perhaps this excerpt from verse 2 is what gives this hymn such a lasting appeal. And keep us in his grace, and guide us when perplexed, and free us from all ills in this world and the next. I hope to see you all tomorrow at the service, either in person or online. I know you'll absolutely adore Jen singing tomorrow, and I'll be listening for you to sing out brightly and boldly during the benediction when we sing, Now Thank We All Our God. Happy Thanksgiving.